In this video, I'll guide you through how to translate the menu on Wolt. Whether you're traveling abroad or just exploring new cuisines from the comfort of home, being able to understand the menu is essential. Let's dive right in and make sure you can enjoy your meal without any language barriers. First, open the Wolt app on your device. If you haven't already downloaded it, you'll need to do so from your app store. Once you have the app ready, go ahead and choose any restaurant that catches your eye. You'll find a wide variety of options, so pick one that piques your interest for this demonstration. Now that you're on the menu page, you might notice a message at the top indicating that the menu is in another language. This is common especially when browsing international restaurants or if you're using the app in a different country, but don't worry, translating it is a breeze. If you see this message, simply tap on the translate button. This will prompt the app to help you out with language support. Next, you'll be asked to select your preferred language. For many of us, English is the go-to choice. But if you have another preference, make sure to choose the language that's most comfortable for you. Once you've made your selection, the app will automatically work its magic and the menu will be translated into your chosen language. This makes it so much easier to understand the dishes and make an informed choice. If at any point you want to switch back to the original language, perhaps to practice your language skills or for any other reason, there's a simple way to do that too. Just tap on Show Original and you'll be taken back to the menu in its original language. It's as simple as that, giving you the flexibility to switch between languages as you see fit. And that's all there is to it. That's how to translate the menu on Wolt. With these easy steps, you can now browse through menus without any confusion, ensuring that you always know exactly what you're ordering. Enjoy your meal and happy dining.